We are evebot, a team of innovators. In the past 18 months, we have redesigned the printer into a portable pen to embrace your creative lifestyle. Introducing our latest development, PrintPen, that offers countless possibilities to bring your designs to life. A specially designed ink and printer roller that helps you transform any surface to canvas. Change the conversational style and build great connections at work. Be more efficient and quirky at work. Just tap on the app, select the desired image, or create it with just a finger swipe. See, there you go. Experiment and play around with laser engraving. A shortcut for making prototypes, which can be designed on your computer or smartphone and laid out on leather, textile, paper, or any material of choice. Turn any surface into an open canvas with the easily navigable PrintPen. Pull your ideas out from the screen and cast them on the wall. Its unique structure allows it to print on uneven or irregular surfaces. From home decor to work desk, PrintPen lets you express your personal style in an original and innovative way. PrintPen also offers a budget-wise practice for your business. A hands-on solution for everyone. Efficiently share your designs with your friends. And they can print out instantly, anywhere. Perk up your social life and impress your friends. With skin-friendly ink, it's safe to print on your body. Let's get the party started. PrintPen is here to pave the path to your success. Create your business's identity. Offer a unique experience to your customers, or just add a personal touch to spice up your day-to-day routine. Print on the go. Print with no limitations.